Stormtech have recently upgraded their showroom at the Build and Design Centre, so we've got Louis in today to tell us what's on display, Louis.
So we'll start over in the corner here. We'll start with our DIY kits. They come in stainless steel channel or PVC channel. On the back wall here, we've got some made to length kits. This is all our new sort of grate styles. This is our AA, which is our wave grate, which is brand new. We think it's going to be quite popular. We've also got our colour grates in the corner here. These will complement your tap styles and tap designs.
All bathroom accessories.
All bathroom accessories, yep.
Colours that are on offer. And Louis, what have we got over here?
This is one of our threshold drains. So this is for level entry into buildings. As you can see, you've got no lips or any sort of step ups into the building. Also, while we're here, I may as well show you our landscape and outdoor drainage. So it's suitable for driveways, landscaping, pools, and yeah, so there's quite an array of products to show you here.
Thank you for sharing that with us. So if you're looking for quality drainage for your home, bathroom, outdoors, indoor, here it is at the Build and Design Centre from Stormtech.